For a few seasons now, Andy has been riding the Paddle North Portager, and to be honest with you, I've always been a little bit jealous. But today that changes because I just got my own, and the thing is, I haven't even opened it yet, and I thought, what a perfect time of the year to take that thing out and go on his maiden voyage. That bag is awesome. You could carry that on a hike. Pump. Logo on the fin. They do have an included leash. Other boards that I've purchased, which I have enjoyed, I've had to get a separate leash for it, and that came with it, so that is a super helpful piece. You actually click this down into here, but then it clamps down. That's super convenient. One of my favorite things about all the Paddle North design is that everything is super thoughtful. And as far as traveling goes, something that can collapse down and fit completely into this one backpack is the reason why I really like it. And that goes all the way down to the paddle, which breaks down into small pieces to be able to throw into a trunk or into the bag. Woo. There it is. First impressions of this board is it tracks really well, it's insanely stable, and I've been on maybe 20 different paddle boards, and I'd say that this ranks up there with one of the more stable boards that I've been on. A lot of people wonder how the Portager tracks. It is an inflatable board, so they're nervous that it's not going to go down the river smooth. Here's an example of me getting 20 strokes on one side without having to switch. It tracks perfectly right down the middle of the river. That was 20. Overall, I'm very impressed with the performance of this board. Its maiden voyage was in a pretty epic spot, so that might be hard to top, but I can tell you that I'll be riding this board for seasons. Until next time, cheers.